Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your iPhone settings, here it is, then you need to scroll down and find sounds and haptics option right up here. In this interface you need to find haptics option right up here, and then you will see 4 different options. So all you need to do is to choose between all display and play in silent mode options. So for example I will choose play in silent mode. So then you need to press on the back button, settings button. So then you will see this interface again, then click on that notifications option right up here, and then you need to scroll down and find phone application here right up here. Then you will see this interface. You need to find sounds option, here it is, and then the first one option haptics, and then you need to choose one of these options. So for example this one, and then you can go back, you can close settings, and then if someone call you, you will hear vibrate even in silent mode. So and that's all, and that's how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.